This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Si Gabe, wala pa siya ka tila o durian. Muna yung first time good. Ah! Balut challenge! Oh, you can see the legs, dude.
No! Manmutag, magabesh, magabay, ako si Buang.
Hug, ako si Kaloy, ang Bisayang Hilaw. And today, karong adlaw, karon dayon, we are gonna make a video. This is gonna be a Filipino mukbang. We're gonna eat this food, and we're gonna answer some of the questions that you wrote on Instagram. Alright, so before we get started, we're gonna introduce what we got here on the table. First things first, we got yo pancit canton. This is the calamansi flavor. Gabe has been to the Philippines in 2018. He joined me for about a month, and he has never tried pancit canton, but he likes pancit.
Pancit?
He likes noodles. What the heck is this, Gabe?
That is chicharrones. Pigskins.
Tulo 100. Sige na. Chicharron, nagbalik na kami. Kapag ko, gusto na pamadaan. Ulaw. Ayaw mula. Sige, chicharron, tulo 100.
Lame.
Alright, like we said earlier, this is Durian from Malaysia, so we're gonna see if this is as good as Filipino Durian, especially from Davao, because you honestly can't beat that.
First, we're gonna play some football with this.
Alright, dude. Go for it. Really? Alright, first we're gonna toss the pigskin.
I'll be in frame right here.
Alright.
Oh!
Sure.
Ah! One more.
I don't know if you can see that. That hurts, dude.
Ow!
Can't do this. Oh, my hands. Oh, I'm bleeding, dude.
Oh!
Alright, now that we got the shenanigans out of the way, we're gonna read some of your questions while we eat, because we have not had lunch. Oh, Saved by the Bell. That is our balut. Balut. We are currently boiling some balut, so let's see how it turned out. BRB. Heck yeah, there it is. You'll notice there's only one because Gabe.
He's not
about it.
out.
We're gonna split this though, dude. We'll see who gets the chick and who gets the.
I call the head.
The sabao. You get the head?
Yeah.
All right.
I said we take the chick apart. I eat the head. You eat the body.
Okay. Gabe's had balut before. We'll discuss that later.
Yeah.
All right.
Roll the clip.
Roll it.
Nervous ka?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayaw nervous?
Yeah.
I am nervous.
Oh. Okay, and eat all.
All it in one bite.
Yeah,
Okay, all right.
Hold your nose.
Hold my nose.
No, just send it.
Eat all.
All right, ready?
Ready? Go.
Yeah. Hold your nose. Okay? Okay. No. Don't do that.
Seryoso na. Sige, kitawa siya. Seryoso.
Lami. Delicious.
Lame.
Lami.
Alright, let's begin. This has kind of been sitting out for about 30 minutes, so it's not that great right now. It's a little cold, but not too shabby.
Nice. Should we eat with our mouths open so the microphone can hear?
First things first, by Joshmar Donatello. Does he know what buang translates? Do you know what buang is? Kapag ka unsay buang sa...
Handsome.
Handsome, exactly. I told him that buang means handsome, and that's why he goes with it. No, but for real, what is buang?
Crazy.
Crazy. This guy's crazy over here. Chicharron. That's crispy, baby. It's a quality chicharron. Let's see where this came from. Pinoy. Heck yeah.
Oh.
Pinoy gourmet, a touch of home. Alright, next question. Anong favorito mong pagkain? Sorry, my Tagalog is not good. So good, I'm half Filipina. By Fortune Bullen.
What?
Unsay paborito nimo na pagkaon sa Pilipinas? Unsay paborito nimo? Favorite food?
Oh. Maning and salt.
Sa Pilipina. Ooh. That is good one. That is good one. My favorite food is sinigang. and I usually get fish sinigang because the pork sinigang usually has too much fat, so I prefer fish. But I like both.
All right, let's crack this bad boy open.
Already, dude? That's a grand finale.
All right, Yakult.
Yakult. So you can chug it the fastest.
First.
This is healthy too. Non-fat probiotic drink.
Cheers to many good years. Ready?
You can chug it the fastest.
Yeah.
What the heck, dude? What the heck? What the heck? That was the slowest chug I've ever seen.
I was trying to suck it down, but there's no air.
Your tongue got stuck in it, dude. Ang sunod na pangutana, ang next question. Kanusa ka mo balik sa Pinas, Kaloy? By Makaraya Jumari. Ikaw, kanusa ka mo balik sa Pinas? When are you gonna return to the Philippines?
Me?
Yeah.
I'd like to say within the next 2 to 3 years. Two
Really?
to three. Is that a long time?
It's pretty far away, dude.
I'd like to this year, but
This year is
Philippines opens back up. I'll be there.
Yeah. I'm planning on coming back. Sorry, just spit. I'll probably be back sometime next year. But, like you said, it depends when the Philippines opens, because right now, it is cerrado. So foreigners cannot go there. But as of now, I'm a tourist, so I cannot go back there right now. Hopefully next year.
Bastos.
Pohon. Ulat. Just wait. I will be back. Sige, unsay para nimo lami ikaon? Kinamot o magkutsara? How do you prefer to eat? With your hands or with a fork or a spoon?
Spoon.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not about that kinamot life? I taught you how to eat with your hands in the Philippines.
Yeah. That's true. Well, I like the. Wasn't there a combination or something?
Yeah, the spoon and fork.
Spoon and fork. Yeah, I like spoon and fork.
Yeah. Where's your spoon?
I like both hands.
Hindi pa siya kabalo mang kinamot, pero
Ako si Buang.
gamay na lang, hapit na. Ako si Buang. Para nako, depende sa pagkaon. Siyempre, kung naisabaw, ganan ko kutsara. Kung ako'y manginasal, siyempre magkinamot lang ko. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Joy Cosajo. Favorite place in the Philippines? Hit it. Alright, so real quick, I just want to give a massive thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video and making it possible for me to continue as a travel vlogger. So simply put, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily create a website or a blog. And if you haven't noticed, I haven't done too many travel vlogs since I've been home, and that's because I've been focusing on taking a lot of photos. And so having a website to upload them on has honestly been so nice. And with Squarespace's award-winning template designs, it makes it so simple to do it. Plus, if you're anything like me and you're horrible at building websites, Squarespace has 24/7 award-winning support. Alright, so if you are interested in starting your own blog or website, I do have a discount code in the link below for 10% off, and you also get a free trial as well. So make sure you check that link in the description and use my discount code Bisayang Hilaw for 10% off, and let's get back to the video. Favorite place in the Philippines? Hit it.
Sohoton.
Oh, really?
I like Sohoton. Yeah.
Sohoton in Siargao, or near Siargao?
Siargao was sick. I liked Muabal, like the nightlife at Muabal. What was that place called? The Chili Bar?
Chili Bar.
Chili Bar. Chili Bar.
Do you still have that footage? I'll play it in this vlog.
Yeah. I feel like. Woo!
Dude, pump it. That was out of his mind. Katie Lindsay _ how to earn traveling. I'm such a fan of how amazing you are at taking videos of such places. Una sa tanan. Salamat. Katie Lindsay, salamat kayo. How to earn traveling. First thing, YouTube, what we're doing right now. You can make money from YouTube videos, like the ads on it. You can make money doing photography if you're traveling. You can make deals with hotels that you can take nice photos for them in exchange for a free hotel or for money. Affiliate links. So if you use a company's...
How'd you get in here?
What the heck? Affiliate links, companies will pay you if you direct people to their website and use the link. Just got to get creative. Use your talents. If you're good at writing, you can do travel blogs, you can write guides, you can write about clothing if you're a lifestyle blogger. Honestly, you just got to get creative. Use the internet, and you can make money while you travel. Right?
Pick a niche, stay to it.
I like that. Next question, Hazel Barcenilia. Ooh. Sorry, excuse me. Hazel Barcenilia 921. When is Zowie going to Utah? Ma'am Joey, mo ani siya diri. Hopefully in October, pero murag dili pa mi sagrado. So she's waiting for a few things. The biggest is her visa to come over here. She has to have an interview in Sydney, and she's on a different part of Australia. And they're currently like in lockdown right now, so that's tough. And she has to wait till October to even get an interview. So it's kind of a mess right now.
We miss you, Madam Joey.
We miss you, Ma'am Joey.
Prayers out to you.
Maybe makita lang kami sa Pilipinas kung mauna ang Pinas maabri. Pero dito ka balo. Pasensya, Englishero na ako sa akong vlog. So karon madayon ko sa Bisaya para malingaw ta. Para ato ibaligya ang akong kauban na naa sa akong too. Nakulot o buang.
Ayo.
What you
Sige.
say? Sige. Sige. Dude, you crushed those noodles. You're hungry, huh?
I was pretty hungry. I haven't eaten much today. Oh!
Before we go to the next question, we gotta eat this durian before it goes bad.
Ooh!
Bago siya mapanos. So si Gabe. Oh! Ah! He's so freaking sharp, dude.
Hey!
Alright.
Bastos!
Bastos. Si Gabe, wala pa siya ka tila o durian. Muna yung first time good. Bisan pag ni-bisita siya sa Pinas, wala siya ni kaon. Karon pa lang good.
Doesn't smell as bad as I thought it was going to.
Yeah, so we heard that it smells bad. Kind of smells pretty bad. So akong first time, di ko hilig, di ko ganahan. Pero pag sige ko nakaon sa Davao, naanad ko, o hasta karon, ganahan yun ko. Alright dude, send it. You know what to say? It smells like hell, tastes like heaven. You're shaking, dude. You don't like it?
I don't like the texture. I'm a big texture kind of guy.
Dili ni siya presko, dili ni siya fresh, kaya siyempre gikan sa Malaysia o nadugay siya sa freezer. No more?
No limit. I don't like it.
No, limit. Give me that, dude. You're ungrateful.
Sorry. Bastos!
Take your freaking. Oh.
I thought you like that durian.
You thought you were gonna like it?
Yeah, I thought you like it.
Really? It's an acquired taste, dude. Like I didn't like it at first until I had a ton.
Like chicharrones are
I
very
like 'em. Salt and vinegar.
crunchy.
Yeah. Calvin_GJ says, Balut challenge!
Oh! Noin.
Sige, so dili jud mi kabalo kung pila ka adlaw ni siya. I have no idea how many days this duck is. Could be 16, could be 22. I hope it's a 16. You gonna eat the head, dude? I get the.
Gotta go John Cena on this thing. I should do it, dude.
We need vinegar and we need salt.
Yeah.
I refuse to eat balut without vinegar and salt. Ole!
Perfecto.
Alright. So we don't have vinegar, but we do have onions, cocktail onions that have vinegar, so we're just gonna pour that inside it. So yeah, so I don't like that. Okay, I'll take the shot of the juice. This about.
No. Yeah, but you're still eating the egg too.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, there's no juice in it. Alright, let's try this side.
I'm having PTSD already. Oh, there we go. Wait, right?
Oh shoot. Pasensya na, dili mi OA. Kaon jud mi og Filipino food, pero Pag balut.
Oh, dude.
Pag liso jud me.
Am I really doing this again?
It's not bad, dude. There's no juice though. His brother ate 5 of these in 5 minutes.
Oh, dude. I don't even know why we're friends still.
Dude. Wait, how did you do
Ew,
this?
dude. Dude, that thing is pretty mature looking. Is that pretty mature?
Dude, I don't know if I can do this.
Dude, this is the grossest looking balut I've ever seen.
Oh, that's the head, dude.
Oh!
Can you see it? That's the freaking head. You said you wanted the head, right? Did you want the head?
Dude, I don't know if I can eat it. To be honest, I don't know if I can eat it.
Oh, that's the. Oh!
I really don't know, dude.
Just one bite each, dude.
Oh, dude,
Do you want the yellow or do you want the duck?
I don't know. I don't care.
You don't have to, dude. You don't have to eat it.
No, I'll take a bite of something. I don't know, dude.
It's usually easier if you just close your eyes and eat it, but the duck's already falling out. Just go for a quick bite, I guess. Oh, that just tastes like an egg. The visuals are so gross. You're gonna season up the bird?
Dude, you
You
gotta.
wanna try a bite of it?
Alright.
It just tastes like egg.
I just can't stand the veins.
Here, hold it. dude.
No, you hold it. I don't want to touch it.
It's just hard-boiled egg. It's just hard-boiled egg. Just a hard-boiled. Straight vinegar.
I told myself I was never gonna do that again. Oh, dude. I hate that taste.
Hard-boiled egg, dude.
It's not a hard-boiled egg. It's a hard-boiled.
Oh, you can see the legs, dude. What do you want, dude?
Are you serious? No.
You don't have to. We can just tap now, dude.
Why? Because you don't want to?
I don't know what's worse, honestly, the
What?
head or the freaking bottom.
If you eat that, we can start calling you Bisayang Hinog.
Oh, I can't, dude. I cannot eat that duck.
Do it. Here.
Oh,
Just-
dredge it.
And then want me to just pour tons of
Salt.
salt.
Oh, no, dude.
All right, there we go. Oh, dude.
You take that bottom half, dude.
No.
Take it. Do
Ah!
it. Do it.
No.
He's throwing up. Oh. Oh.
I threw up the entire duck. Sige, mein Muntag, magabesh magabay. Ako si Buang.
Bisayang Hilaw is now.
Bisayang Hilaw is now
Bisayang Hilaw.
Bisayang Hinog.
He just threw up. I don't know if I'm going to show you in the video because it's kind of graphic. We personally are not big fans of Balut, but we respect you if you like it.
If you like it, good on you.
Just not our
I respect you.
cup of tea.
Definitely not my cup of tea. That's
Alright.
it.
Sige, mao na siyang vlog karon. Hope you guys enjoyed. Unta na lingaw mo. Makipol sa me. We're gonna clean all this up. Take a Yakult.
I told myself I'd never do that again. I don't know how you freaking
You're still
scammed
friends with me, dude. Of course you're gonna do it again. You're gonna be going back to the Philippines in 2 to 3 years, and we're
Not
gonna
if I have to do that.
be slamming down Balut, dude. Absolutely slamming it. Sige, so salamat sa pagtanaw. Say it. Og amping mo tanan.
Og umping wait, what?
Og amping mo tanan.
Og umping
mo tanan.
mogdadang.
Og amping mo tanan.
Og umping
mo tanan.
motanan. Og umping motanan. Motanan.
Woo! Boom! You get it?
Ayo, ayo, amping pirmi sa inyong paglakaw, kadati